Hi everyone! I am so excited. Today we got this package from Korea. Let's see what's inside and wonder who sent it to us. Let's check it out. Ooh, there's two bags. Let's see what's inside. This one is addressed to Michaela and Billy. And this bag is addressed to us. Can't wait to see what's inside. Let's take a look. Wow, looks like it's some kind of hot Cheetos. I wonder if it's any good. It gotta be good. It's coming all the way from Korea. It's gotta be good. More candies. Candies that we have never had before. Ooh, this looks like some kind of gummy bear. Gummy candy. Oh, look. Looks like it's a letter. Let's see. Oh, how cute. That is pretty darn cute. Oh, awesome, Shyla. Oh, thank you so much, guys, for thinking of us. I hope you guys are having a great time in Korea. More candies. Can't wait to try them. Some more hot stuff. This looks like it's a souvenir of some kind. It's pretty heavy. Some more souvenirs. More candies. Wow, they're looking really good. Delicious. Let's see what's in Michaela's bag. More candies. Yum, yum, yum. What a lucky day. Today, Michaela and Billy are visiting us. So we gave them their bag. And they say to tell you guys, thank you. Hi, guys. Thank you so much for the candies. And thank you so much for thinking of us. We can't wait to see you guys back in the States. Have a safe trip back home. Until next time, God bless.